Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. By now, it's no secret that adding any activity at all to your daily routine is going to be beneficial to your overall health and wellness. And when it comes to weight loss, all of the scientific evidence suggests that if we can change what we eat and we can increase our physical activity, it's going to lead to at least a 20% or greater weight loss than if we just change our diet alone. We also know that exercise is the single best predictor of who keeps weight off and who doesn't. Regular physical activity is really one of the most important things you can do for your health. It's not the only thing, but it is one of the most important things you can do. So it's going to help not only with increasing your fitness and your physical function, but it's also going to decrease your risk of developing certain chronic diseases that are so prevalent in our society today, like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and certain other cancers. It's also going to improve your overall well-being by helping you to improve your mood and your sleep. So this is just some really basic information I'm giving you guys today to motivate you to get up, get out, get moving. And remember, the best exercise that you can possibly do is the one that you enjoy, the one that you're going to keep up with. So find more joyful ways to move and make that part of your lifestyle. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, signing off. Until the next time we meet, have a great day.